Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Tony from Tony's Professional Touch, based out of San Bernardino, California. And in today's video, we're going to be doing this Kia SUV. We're going to be doing a mini detail. So let's get right into it. Follow me along.
So Tony, how'd you get this customer?
Believe from Instagram. I believe so. Yeah.
Oh, first time customer? Or?
No, I've done a lot of vehicles for him in the past.
Oh, okay. And what's your plan for this detail? Quickly or?
About 2 hours or less. Nothing really different from any other vehicle. Every mini detail is pretty similar. So details foam wash, hand wash it, mini interior detail, vacuum, wipe down, brush the crevices, spray wax on the outside, clean the windows inside and out, door jambs, wipe them down, tire dressing, clean the wheels, wipe down the wheels.
And the worst case scenario, if it gets a little dark, we
should be good. We just knock it out. This is the last one of the day, so probably be done in about an hour.
Oh, okay. Just before the sundown?
Yeah, pretty much.
And it seems like you've been getting a lot. You had a lot of details today. How do you know how much to handle on each day?
I usually take around an hour and a half to 2.5 hours on vehicles, depending on how bad they are. So especially when I know that I'm doing a mini detail, like this whole today was just mini details only, basically. So I usually know around how much time I'm gonna take per detail, and I try to average it and base it off of that. But there's also traffic and stuff, so you never know about that. So I try to schedule everyone in a similar area, and try to make it on time to every appointment.
Got it. So Tony, you think this was messy because they have a kid, or?
Not necessarily, but it does have it does make a bit of mess in the bag. It's it happens. It is what it is. They're kids, but it's not too bad.
All right.
It's just these carpets suck. The floor mats are actually pretty decent, but these carpets that these Kias come with, they're pretty trash.
Why do they suck?
They're thin, and any all these things get stuck into the fabric of the carpet. It's really hard to take it out and make it perfect with just a vacuum. Look, I'm swiping right through it, and you still see all these little embedded particles or whatever, contaminants, just on the carpet that won't come out. You gotta brush them out, but it's time consuming and it's not necessarily included in our mini detail. It's just vacuum, wipe down, brush crevices. So it's still gonna look good, but those aren't gonna come out with just the mini detail.
So Tony, how's the job going?
Pretty good. We're almost done. Sun hasn't gone fully down yet, so we should be done right before the sun goes all the way down. We just got to do the tire dressing, wipe down the wheels, wipe down the plastics, do the windows inside and out, door jambs, and that should be about it.
Got it. So what do you do or how do you keep your energy up when you have a full day of detailing?
Water. Stay hydrated.
Water? No coffee?
I don't need coffee. Nah, no coffee. Sometimes energy drinks or body armors, but for the most part, just water. At least one lunch. I try to get at least one lunch in if I have time. And then I don't know, I think I kind of got a little, I'm pretty used to it, so it's not that hard for me to stay up for a lot of hours. Just send it. Just keep going. A little behind.
A little behind?
Yeah, because we got to be done in like 15 minutes. I still got to do all the windows inside and out, finish up these door jambs.
You think you'll do it in 15 or?
We'll see.
Oh.
Gotta, I don't know, go quicker, I guess.
All right, let me put the camera down and help you out. Tony, so it's already like the end of February, and before you know it, summer will be here. And
Yeah,
you think,
time's flying.
You think business will pick up in the summer?
I hope so.
If it does, like, what's your plan to handle all that business?
Either get another guy, another like employee, like an official employee that can help me out, like at least Monday through Friday, maybe Saturday and Sunday if they're up for it. And if I can't find the correct person, then I'll possibly have my detailing buddies help me out. And if sometimes they get busy, so I don't know, maybe not overbook myself, but we'll see. Like, I definitely want to get an employee, but it's just finding and training the right person.
Yeah.
All right, well, there you guys have it. We just got done doing the mini detail on this SUV. Let me know in the comments down below how you guys detail at night, and how late do you guys detail at night. And remember, if you guys like these type of videos, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you.